Mr. Amitabh Bachchan को कंसिडर करना was one of your Salim Javed, all of you all believed in doing that. पर इर्द गिर्द के लोग were not convinced, right? The fact that he was...
No, as a matter of fact, when we were celebrating Sita or Geeta's Jubilee, a lot of people came there. They were whispering and saying and advising me not to take him.
There were people like Salim Javed and you who came together. मुझे लगता है the collaboration of great artists can only make a fantastic film like Sholay.
सलीम जावेद और रमेश सिप्पी ने सीता और गीता
बहुत बड़ी हिट थी वो सर.
अंदाज में वो एंड में आए
जी.
टुवर्ड्स द एंड.
पर अंदाज में भी आपको बहुत सराहा गया सर.
सब में थे लेकिन शोले एक ही बनी. My climax was that he killed Gabbar. They were asking, he's a police officer, how can he take law into his own hands? I said, this scene of the police officer coming and stopping him, I have seen this 1,000 times in movies. How are you expecting me to bring that back? But they insisted, and it was emergency, 1975. So they had the powers. We couldn't do anything. We're talking about the films that didn't work. A couple of films that were good. Anand, you could see the gentleman was, Rajesh Khanna's role was far more expressive and he was the quiet man. But I don't think it would have worked if either one of them had not worked. I think I was fighting against myself a lot because one side of me telling me, because if a sequence that was planned for 7 days takes 23 days.
कौन सीक्वेंस था सर?
Everything.
बाप रे.
मोटरसाइकिल वाला गाना था, उसमें भी 22-23 दिन लग गए.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani. Welcome to Spotlight Sessions podcast. ये वही जगह है जहां आपकी फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज़, आर्टिस्ट के ज़िंदगी के बारे में बात करते हैं, उनके काम के बारे में बात करते हैं. Today my guest is so special. 50 years of the iconic film Sholay completes, and I have with me the legendary filmmaker Ramesh Sippy sir, and we are going to have so many interesting stories today. Thank you for joining in, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
ऑफ कैमरा बोल दिया मैंने, फिर से दोबारा बोलना चाहूँगी. 50 years शोले के मीम्स, शोले की यादें, शोले की बातें कभी ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती. क्यों लगता है आपको इस तरह से शोले लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पाएगी?
जब भी मैंने सोचने की कोशिश की इस बारे में, मुझे और कुछ इसके बारे में समझ में नहीं आता. अच्छी फिल्में बनाने का शौक़ तो है और वैसे ही काम किया है मैंने, लेकिन शोले में ऐसी क्या बात है और शोले के बारे में ऐसी क्या क्या बातें हैं जिसके वजह से वो इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई कि आज तक वो दिलों में है लोगों के. और ये जानकर खुशी तो बहुत होती है, लेकिन ये ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आता. अगर आता तो दूसरी ना बना लेता, दूसरी शोले बना लेता.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन अच्छी फिल्में ज़रूर बनाई है मैंने, इतना कहूँगा अपने बारे में. लेकिन शोले जैसे बाकी दुनिया नहीं समझ पाई, क्या वजह है? वन कैन ओनली ट्राई एंड एनालाइज. वन कैनॉट कम टू द final conclusion कि this is it. Otherwise, others also would have made something. I could have made something, but नहीं हुआ.
There were people like Salim Javed and you who came together. मुझे लगता है the collaboration of great artists can only make a fantastic film like Sholay.
पर यही combination काफ़ी फिल्मों में रही है मेरे.
पर मुझे लगता है आप लोगों ने सपना देखा था.
सलीम जावेद और रमेश सिप्पी ने सीता और गीता
बहुत बड़ी हिट थी वो सर.
अंदाज में वो एंड में आए.
जी.
टुवर्ड्स द एंड.
पर अंदाज में भी आपको बहुत सराहा गया सर.
करेक्ट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग.
जी.
सब में थे लेकिन शोले एक ही बनी.
फेयर इनफ. तो चलिए.
दे वर ऑल देयर और वही म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर आर.डी. बर्मन, आनंद बख्शी, यही लोग थे. सब कॉम्बिनेशन यही था. चाहे वो सागर थी, शान थी, शक्ति थी, सब वही लोग थे.
बात आप सही कह रहे हो सर. और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि लोगों ने रिक्रिएट करने की कोशिश की और बहुत बुरी तरह से पिटी है वो फिल्में. जब भी शोले को कहा ना कि एक रिप्राइज करते हैं या रीमेक करते हैं, यू नो, राम गोपाल वर्मा ने ट्राई की, बहुत लोगों ने ट्राई की. फिल्मों में एक जादू होता है, लोग कहते हैं. कुछ फिल्मों में कुछ ज़्यादा ही होता है. एंड दे सेड यू कांट रिक्रिएट दैट मैजिक. डू यू एग्री?
So then how do you analyze?
That's what I'm saying, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Fair enough.
So it's not difficult to, yes, I can say that all these combinations helped a lot. Good writers, good music, good technicians to handle the technical side. If everything is of top quality, you're more or less likely to make a fine product. But Sholay is not just a fine product. It's way beyond. Otherwise, 50 years later, we wouldn't be talking about it.
Fair enough. I agree with you now. I tried in between to give you a little credit. I tried, but sir is like, नहीं, ये कुछ और ही बात है. But you know, sir, एक बहुत मज़ेदार बात कहना चाहूँगी मैं आपसे. The belief in the casting was fantastic. क्योंकि उस समय पे बच्चन सर, you know, Mr. अमिताभ बच्चन को consider करना was one of your Salim Javed, all of you all believed in doing that. पर इर्द गिर्द के लोग were not convinced, right? Because the fact that he was...
No. As a matter of fact, when we were celebrating Sita or Geeta's Jubilee at a party at home, a lot of people came there. They were whispering and saying and advising me not to take him. Because he had had a row of flops before that. He said, don't make that mistake, young man, don't do it.
बहुत जन, like
Few. So who were supposed to be the most knowledgeable people of the industry as far as business and box office and all these, this side is concerned. But khair, as I said, let's not analyze beyond a point.
No, I think it's wonderful that you all were stuck on believing in that. You know, आजकल बहुत सारे actors कहते हैं पुराने ज़माने में ना, directors had a conviction and they believed in an actor. I wish we had more directors like that. This is why the question is being asked, sir. आप लोग में वो एक conviction था कि नहीं, like you said, इतने बड़े-बड़े लोग आपको ना कह रहे थे, but you wanted him. Why was that, sir?
There was something about him that felt right. He had, he was older films. See, we're talking about the films that didn't work, but a couple of films that were good, Anand.
Wonderful.
You could see the gentleman was, he didn't have, Rajesh Khanna's role was far more expressive, and he was the quiet man.
Yeah.
But I don't think it would have worked if either one of them had not worked. It's because he worked as the silent man. The other character worked as a takeoff on that. So every film has its own kind of chemistry. And there, so what he was asked to do, he did right. There was another film of his in that period, Jauhar, which Mahmood made. बॉम्बे टू गोवा. तो उसमें वो बस में एक गाना गाया उसने जो इतना बेहतरीन था. Being such a huge guy, you could feel the movement of his body. It was so free. He was so overpowering that you might not remember the song.
Yeah, but you remember him.
Because so the way he moved around in that, there was no awkwardness. It should have been awkward because I think he was hitting the ceiling.
You're right.
So he had to blend himself within that and look right and have the rhythm and be singing away. So when I saw these two contrasting films and characters, I felt that here's a person who has the potential. I have Dharmendra ji, I have Sanjeev Kumar, I have Hema Malini, and I have Jaya Bahaduri. So I have already got so many accomplished artists.
Yeah.
So let me take a chance with one, and it paid off.
It turned out to be amazing. आज जय वीरू के बारे में सोचते हैं तो धर्मेंद्र और अमिताभ जी के अलावा कोई और नहीं कर सकता है. वो सोच ही नहीं सकते, right?
I think everything fell into place perfectly. And that doesn't happen by just casting. I always say you can work hard, you can do everything possible, and yet sometimes it doesn't work.
हम सीता गीता की बात कर रहे थे.
जी.
आपकी वो सेकंड फिल्म थी एंड इट वाज अ कॉमेडी एंड व्हाट अ फैंटास्टिक फिल्म इट वाज, यू नो, इतने मज़ेदार. एंड देन also, you know, you always believed in giving women such layers. And so when it came for Hema ji to be here, I know that she wasn't convinced, but she believed in you.
I was finishing Andaz at that time, doing the post-production of Andaz. When we decided to make Sita Aur Geeta, it was about that time when I was doing the post-production for Andaz. So while we were dubbing, when we actually decided to make it, at that time, the first choice was Mumtaz. She was accomplished. She had started with us also in the side role as a vamp in Mere Sanam. So that was, I mean, I don't know that. Then we almost made her the heroine in Bandhan opposite Rajesh Khanna.
Yeah.
And when I went to speak to her about this, she did not say no, but she said she's got too many films on hand, and because this needed two characters, she's playing two characters, both the main characters.
Correct.
How could she find the kind of time that was needed? So she passed it. And as I sat there dubbing, on the mic I asked her, you think you'd like to play a double role, Sita or Geeta, like Rama Shyam? She was taken aback a bit, and she, are you sure I can do it? I said, I'm sure if you're sure. On the bike, it was decided that she'll do it. These are the kind of moments you treasure.
Yeah.
That she had the confidence, with me around she'll be able to deliver, and I had the confidence, no matter what. She was a good actress, she had not shown the promises of the later Hema Malini, but she had the potential in her. That's how, step by step, one reaches where one does. As a matter of fact, it was the role of Basanti at that time in Sholay that I felt maybe she may not want to do it after Sita और Geeta.
बिल्कुल, तब बहुत बड़ी स्टार ऑलरेडी बन चुकी थी वो.
बहुत बड़ी स्टार बन गई थी और इतना बड़ा रोल था, और suddenly I'm giving her 1 in 6. You know, 1 of 6.
फिर क्या हुआ?
She, the same confidence. I leave it to you. You think this is good for me, I'll do it.
There was a lot of discussion for Gabbar, क्योंकि किसी को भरोसा नहीं था
There
अमजद
was
जी पे.
not a lot of discussion, but we had signed Danny Dutto.
जी.
As the shooting got closer, when we decided this is our starting date, he was caught up with Feroz Khan in Dharmatma.
जी.
So it was not, I couldn't expect that he would stop shooting for Dharmatma
Yeah.
and come and shoot for me and then go back, and they would be waiting at the unit there. So he said he can't get away. Is it possible to postpone? And I said, Now we're ready to go. We can't wait either. क्या करें? किसको लें?
जी.
That was the next problem. Salim Sahab suggested Amjad Khan. Amjad Khan. I remembered he'd done, I had seen him in a play where my sister was playing
Oh.
a role opposite him, and it was called, he played, it was a play set in South Africa.
Okay.
So, the Calabar and those kind of things, but he had a personality. It felt like that on the stage also. Said, impression to acha hai, bulaiye. My memory was good about him. Let's call him. And there we were. He came. I remember we used to have a discussion room which was just gaddas. In those days, they were quite popular.
Yes.
And I was lying down, 2/3 reclining on those, and cross, and there was a door here. And he walked in from this side. Like, from that angle, I could feel a certain strange
Aura.
kind of thing about him. Okay, that's a plus in my mind. That's
Yeah.
what went on. And then he was very courteous and everything. He sat down and he spoke, and he had this strange, gruff voice. Another plus as far as I was concerned. And my mind started to get fixated on him. But we discussed it normally. Let's not get carried away. Let's weigh everything, because it's a film after all, and it's going to carry, because he's the main villain.
Yeah.
He has to hold the film. So, we'll work on it. Then got him, told him to come another, after 2 days, 2-3 days, he grew a little bit of stubble. And it was in the character that he would wear these khakis,
जी.
the army.
वो पूरा जो पोशाक था उनका.
हाँ.
गेटअप.
तो वो सब उसके साथ फोटोग्राफ्स कर लिए, और ऐसा लग रहा था कि चलिए
अब हो गया.
अब हो गया, फैसला कर लेंगे. And when he came there, he did not start working immediately, no. His work came later, but वो घुल मिल गया सबके साथ. He was getting comfortable with the unit, getting comfortable with the work. For him, inside, he must have been feeling this is a career's kind of
Defining role.
Defining role. I can't miss this. But when he first started working, उसका ये था कि वो टबैको को
जी.
ये मसलना था,
जी. जी.
और फिर वो करते हुए
मुंह में डालना था. जी.
और साथ में डायलॉग भी बोल रहे थे. अब या तो वो डायलॉग बोले या बोले.
खाए.
He would not be able to do both simultaneously. एक आध बार मैं चिल्लाया, फिर मुझे लगा कि ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. What can't you understand? You know, that kind of. But I said, pack up. Started doing something else. But I called him. I said, you do this and the lines. Nobody will be with you. You want to have somebody with you, you take anyone you want, sit down and practice. For 2 days, we practiced and practiced and practiced.
सर खैनी खाते रहे 2 दिन. मसलना और ये.
हाँ, and not necessarily to have it, but
To just try and see how to make it work.
how to speak the lines as well as.
Yeah.
When he came back, it was much better, and he started talking. It was just an act of. It was part of his character. So, when he did that, and it all came out. But this was going on. Even Salim Javed said, if he can't do it, let's change him. Now he saw everything was going on, the shootings were going on. You can't put a halt to the film.
Yeah.
But I persevered only because I felt that this is so different from what we've seen on screen that this I won't get in anybody else. And I stuck by it, and my God, it paid off, and it was amazing. But even then, I did not think that he was going to be loved and hated so much.
It was path-breaking in many ways. 70 mm का experience you gave people that time. हम उस समय हॉलीवुड में बड़े-बड़े वेस्टर्न्स देखते थे और ये हमारे लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस था. It must have been extremely difficult, sir, क्योंकि आपका ambition practical भी होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि it has to match the expectations. How did you manage to keep dreaming bigger but also, make it happen?
It was just perseverance.
What are the most difficult things?
Belief in what I was doing, and the more I did it, I felt it right. The more right it felt I cannot give it up. The more I felt I cannot give it up, I pursued, and as I pursued, I started getting it back.
What were the most difficult things that went wrong at that time for you while during the making? Which almost made it seem like impossible at some point.
I think I was fighting against myself a lot.
Okay.
Because one side of me telling me, because if a sequence that was planned for 7 days takes 23 days.
कौन सा sequence था sir?
Everything.
बाप रे.
The song मोटरसाइकिल वाला गाना था, उसमें भी 22-23 दिन लग गए. The Sanjeev Kumar scene where the family is massacred, and the same thing. उसी का weather का हुआ problem. मतलब we shot for 2 days, first 2 days with bright sunlight. उसके बाद the clouds came in. Waited for a day, waited for a second day. Second day second afternoon I asked the cameraman, tell me, what if we shoot it in this light? This ominous kind of feeling. And then the winds pick up, the leaves start
Rustling,
and inside him that Josh.
Ji.
And then he takes off on the horse and goes there. So I just felt that this will give it a whole different feel. The emotions will still be there. All what was on paper would be achieved. But the atmospheric thing would add to it tremendously.
संजीव सर के जो कैरेक्टर है ना, ठाकुर I'm saying, हाँ, उनके हाथ नहीं है. वो जो सीन था, वेरी सेज आपने क्यों नहीं उठाया, वो गन क्यों नहीं उठाया? How was that scene, sir? It's so beautifully done.
It was part of the screenplay, but I mean it was actually earlier, because in the beginning that's why he wears it like this.
Yeah.
I just felt, I told Salim Javed that let's place it a little later, so that becomes a point of interval, a dramatic kind of a point. They all immediately, they didn't hesitate. When they like something, they liked it. Like if they suggest something and I like it, I don't hesitate. And it worked. It gave the whole film a different feeling, that by the time oh God, this is what it was. So I think everything has a place and time, or as you say, there is a time and place for everything.
Also kind of changed Jai Veeru's graph, right? तब तक वो लोग just कर रहे थे,
Yeah, they were there for the money.
They were there for the money. They were kind of goons, you know.
Then they got involved.
कि ये अब लड़ाई हमारी भी है. I think it was kind of the turning point. Wonderfully written in the screenplay also.
Absolutely.
CBFC की इंटरफेरेंस था एंड में आपके क्लाइमैक्स में उस समय पे, which was kind of also a little strange because it should have been a creative call. But वो भी आप लोग लड़े. You all got what you wanted. Climax पे बहुत discussion हुआ. Yeah, not that time.
Because my climax was that he killed Gabbar. And they were asking for it. He's a police officer. How can he take law into his own hands? I said, this scene of the police officer coming and stopping him, I have seen this 1,000 times in movies. How are you expecting me to bring that back? But they insisted, and it was emergency. 1975. So they had the powers. We couldn't do anything.
What a sad time.
So I had to accept it. When I think back on it, maybe at that time it worked well enough because maybe that would have been too gruesome. I think it was the right one, but you never know.
Did you think of alternate endings even after you were given these things? क्या बहुत बातें हुई कि इसी तरह से end करेंगे? Were there discussions on the end a lot?
No, it was only about this because we had showed earlier the spikes were being hammered into the shoe.
जी.
वो भी निकलवाया हमसे. So that's showing कि इससे वो मारेगा उनको और फिर मारता भी है.
जी.
तो ये सब निकालने के बाद they were okay. Then they gave the certificate. I guess you react according to what comes your way. And I didn't like what was happening.
Of course.
But I had to accept it. Everyone advised me to just accept it because इस वक्त जिद करना, you might get caught up.
Yeah.
Now it's back.
Now it is.
So time has its own.
Jai Bhaduri's character, my mother's favorite character, was dealt with such sensitivity. One of the favorite romantic scenes, I think, is जब वो एक एक करके बत्तियाँ बुझाती है and you see Mr. Bachchan look. I want to understand how that character building was for you. क्या आपके दिमाग में चल रहा था? Also, the chemistry of Mr. Bachchan and Jai Bhaduri at that time, you know, just with silences.
I told you how long it took.
23 days here also.
It was crazy because getting what I wanted and in that magic hour, that it's 3-4 minutes barely. So you have to be so ready with the movement. You cannot, the face can't be behind that pillar. It's got to be just right, just that movement. And shot by shot, I had to break it up in such a way that one day, then the next, then the next, then the next. Accordingly, the movement had to, and then it would go to Bombay, the negative would be, and it would come back as a print in 2 days and see it, judge it, it's coming right, it feels right. And then the counter shots of Mr. Bachchan playing the mouth organ there. So, now those were not action scenes. They were not scenes of technical necessities, but they had to be done. It had to be done so that the sequence as conceived was right. It felt right. So when you pursue that and you have that madness, do anything and everything to achieve that, it will take time, but if it comes out right in the end, then it works.
The other scene that I know has an interesting anecdote, I'm sure you'll tell us more, is धर्मेंद्र जी and हेमा मालिनी जी का scene, Professing Love. Please आप बताइए, मुझे पता है interesting कहानी ज़रूर होगी उस सीन में जहाँ पे वो जाके उनको अपने प्यार का इजहार कर रहे हैं, रिवॉल्वर चलाना सिखा रहे हैं.
Yes, it was interesting. It was, in its own way, it was ticklish. And he was trying to be a little physical and and she was feeling nice and as well as feeling uncomfortable. So, for the chemistry between the two, it played its own role. And although it ended with a negative, it was a step
towards their relationship.
Their relationship. So it was, I think everything had its place. And of course, as far as Jayaji is concerned, a lot of people said, why have you taken Jayaji? You were wasting a fine actress like her. I said, that's exactly why I took her. Because it's a silent role. And except for that one scene in the holy scene where she's running behind you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's the eyes are so expressive that even the silence does not stop her from conveying her feelings. I think everything had a reason and a meaning, each in its place. In the end, the satisfaction is, after 50 years, we are here talking about Sholay.
Sure.
So I'm sure all the hard work has paid off in every way. So thank you all very much.
Thank you so much for sharing those wonderful stories, Ramesh ji. It's so wonderful to celebrate a film like Sholay, जिन्होंने हमें इतना ज़्यादा एंटरटेन किया. मज़े की बात यह है कि उस समय पे शोले को बॉक्स ऑफिस हिट नहीं डिक्लेयर किया था, इनफैक्ट फ्लॉप बोला गया था. और यही कहते हैं ना कि हम लोगों की बातें सुनते हैं कि ये हिट होगा, ये फ्लॉप होगा, लेकिन लेगेसी जिस मूवी का बनना है वो बन जाती है. एंड शोले इज़ अ प्राइम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट, राइट? एज अ डायरेक्टर, व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी ऑल्सो सर, आपने अपने प्रोडक्शन हाउस को काइंड ऑफ रिवैम्प किया. You brought in a lot of credibility back. You brought in with some beautiful films, and you chose to kind of debut with a movie like Andaaz, जो कि बहुत ही progressive theme पे था. It was, you know, it dealt with the subject of a widow marriage. I want to understand why was that start to your journey, and to think about that, your character here also, she was a widow, right? And I always thought that you had such sensitivity in dealing with such beautiful characters.
At that time, I just thought it would be. Otherwise, what kind of film would I have made? We made a film in the production called Brahmachari. That was also nice because it had a lot of kids in it. It had its own charm. Sachin was introduced there as a kid.
Yeah.
Working there, it felt good making a film like that, Brahmachari. I said, when I make my film, I should also be doing something different to what others are doing. That was my belief, because otherwise every film is the same. It's got X, Y, Z, this happens and that happens and that happens, same drama, same emotion, same this. So I needed to be different. And I wanted thematically that it's the two children who bring them together. And that's why that song, Hai Na Bolo Bolo, did that for me. I think I just felt that that's how I very much wanted to make a film like that. So I went ahead and did it, and my father backed me. May not have been a great success, but it did well.
It did.
It did well, and it gave me the courage to move on to other things.
Thank you so much, Zippy sir. We really hope that you will come back to making films again. Because once a director, always a director, and
Yes,
especially
of course,
someone like you, the Hindi film industry needs you still, and we will continue. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you.